If Microsoft Clipchamp is giving you an error, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through a simple step-by-step fix you can try right now, and most of these steps take just a few seconds. Whether Clipchamp is stuck loading, not opening properly, or showing a random browser error, these troubleshooting steps can help get you back on track fast. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. All right, let's jump right in. First, start with the easiest step. Refresh the page. Sometimes Clipchamp just needs a quick reload to clear a temporary glitch. If that doesn't work, sign out of your account and then sign back in. This can reset your session and fix login-related issues that may be causing the error. Next, turn off your VPN or proxy if you're using one. Clipchamp can sometimes have trouble connecting properly when a VPN or proxy is active, so disable it and try again. If the issue is still there, switch to a different network. For example, if you're on Wi-Fi, try mobile hotspot, or if possible, use another internet connection to see whether the problem is caused by your current network. Another important step is to disable browser extensions. Open your browser menu, go to Extensions, then Manage Extensions, and turn off anything that could interfere with Clipchamp, especially ad blockers or privacy tools. These extensions can block scripts, login requests, or page resources and trigger errors without you realizing it. After that, clear your browser cache and cookies. On most browsers, you can press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete together, then select cached images and files, along with cookies, and clear them. Once that's done, restart the browser and try Clipchamp again. This often fixes corrupted data that may be stopping the app from loading correctly. If you still have the error, make sure you are using a supported browser. Clipchamp works best in Chrome or Edge, so if you're trying another browser, switch over to one of those and test it there. A browser compatibility issue is one of the most common reasons Clipchamp fails to load or behave normally. Once you've gone through these steps, open Clipchamp again and check if the error is gone. In many cases, one of these fixes will solve the issue immediately. The key is to go in order, because the simplest fix is often the one that works. If this video helped you fix the Microsoft Clipchamp error, please remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel. It really helps support the content and keeps more tutorials coming your way. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.